Now next students, valency. Now what is valency? Again with example I'll start. Valency of like sodium. What is sodium symbol? Na, capital N, small a. Based on its Latin name, natrium. Okay. Now sodium, what is atomic number? 11. And students, atomic number is equal to number of protons. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. So protons also 11. And as atom is neutral, so number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So electrons also 11. Okay. Now this 11 electrons you have to distribute in different shell. And first shell maximum capacity is 2. Like students, if you see the structure of an atom, in the center what is present? Nucleus. Inside the nucleus, positively charged proton is there and neutron which is neutral, no charge. And around the nucleus, electrons which is negatively charged, they revolve. This is a shell or orbit. So the first shell is the shell nearest to the nucleus. And the maximum capacity of first shell is 2 electrons. It can hold 2 electrons and it keep on revolving around the nucleus electron. Second shell, maximum capacity is 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And third shell, maximum capacity is 18 electrons. And fourth shell, maximum capacity is 32 electrons. Okay. So this much you should know about this is structure of an atom. So if I put sodium, if I make the structure of sodium here. So sodium, this is nucleus. That is atomic number 11 and atomic number is equal to number of protons. So how many protons in the nucleus? 11 protons. And neutrons how many? That is mass number minus atomic number. And mass number of sodium is 23. 23 minus 11. How much? 12. So how many neutrons? 12. And neutron has no charge. Then how many electrons? 11. This 11 electron will be distributed in different shells. And first shell maximum capacity is 2. And second shell can hold maximum 8 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and this 9, 10. How many electrons left? 1. So that 1 electron will go to the third shell. So this is the structure of sodium atom. Sodium atom. And you see here number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Positively charged particle and negatively charged particle in an atom is equal. So atom is neutral. So atomic number is equal to number of protons and number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Okay, so this 11 electrons you will distribute in different shell. First shell 2, second shell 8. How much left? 1. That will go to the third shell. This is electronic configuration of sodium. Electronic configuration means distribution of electrons in different shells. Okay. Now, outermost how many electrons? 1. And students, all the atom try to attain 8 electrons in their outermost shell. They want to become like nearest noble gas. Except helium. Helium has only one shell and first shell maximum capacity is 2. So helium outermost 2 electron is there, otherwise all other noble gases outermost how many electrons are there? 8. And if there is 8 and these noble gases are unreactive. They are inert. Okay. So all the atoms try to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. And for sodium, atomic number 11, its nearest noble gas is neon, atomic number 10. So outermost how many electron? 1. So what it will do to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas? It will either gain electron or lose electron or share electron. So what it can do? It can lose this 1 electron. If it will lose its 1 electron, outermost becomes 8. And if it gain electron, it has to gain 7 electrons. So which is easy? Losing 1 electron. So it will lose 1 electron, sodium. Sodium, it will lose 1 electron. As it is losing minus sign, how many electron? 1 electron it is losing. After that the configuration becomes 2, 8. And proton, which is in the nucleus, when it loses electron, no change in the nucleus, protons remains the same, 11. And electron after losing 11 minus 1, 10. Now which particle is more, positively charged or negatively charged? Positively charged particle is 1 more than negatively charged particle. So this sodium atom will change to sodium ion. And which ion, positive or negative ion? Positive ion, Na plus, because it is losing 1 electron. Okay, so students, to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas, that is neon. Because neon atomic number is 10, atomic number is equal to number of protons and number of protons is equal to number of electrons. And distribute this 10 electrons in different shells to 8. So sodium, its atomic number, electronic configuration was 281. So to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas neon, what sodium is doing? It is losing its outermost electron. And an outermost electron is also called valence electron. An outermost shell is also called valence shell. So it will lose its 1 electron to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So that is its valency. So what is valency of sodium? 1. Because it is losing 1 electron to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. Okay. So, sodium has 1 electron in its valence shell. Valence means outermost shell. So, it will lose its 1 electron for what? To attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So, valency of sodium is 1. Okay. So, what is valency? The number of electrons an atom lose or gain or share to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. What is valency? The number of electrons an atom lose or gain or share to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas is called its valency.